Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is our again latest vlog for our today sa ating Gabby's vlog. Legit na legit talaga to per sa music at sa television. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Gusto mo kang likes, shares, comments, and views at aabutin ng 500 subscribers. It's supported natin sa ating social media account. At this week's vlog about 282, episode 282, entitled Good and Bad News, Legit na Legit. Here's our vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan natin. Uuna muna natin sa international news. Taylor Swift! Sa good news muna tayo. Okay? Taylor Swift! Most awarded wins sa VMAs. Congratulations sa ginanap na MTV Video Music Awards 2024 sa New Jersey, USA. Taylor Swift got Song of the Year, Artist of the Year, Best Collaboration, Songs for Summer, at syempre, Best Pop. Yan. Nanalo si Taylor Swift. Habang si Sabrina Carpenter, nanalo siya ng awards. Benson Ward for Best Alternative and Tyler won Best Afro Beats. And for the bad news, ay nako, talo ang NSYNC sa Group of the Year. Nanalo ang 70. Yan ang bad news. Talo kasi yung NSYNC. But, we hope in next year, we better for NSYNC. We love you. And another good news about Katy Perry, nanalo ng Michael Jackson Video Vanguard Awards. Congratulations. Now, para sa ating local news sa music, Ay Sigera, nakpapar at sold out na ang Videoke Hits OPM Edition, the ultimate Videoke birthday concert last Friday, September 30 at the Music Museum, featuring the other OPM hits. At ang pinaka-part talaga, Dancing Through the Night. Get To by SB90 and Salamin Salamin by Bini. Na ala Bini si Ay Sigera. Oh, happy birthday kahapon to Bini Colette. Happy birthday. And of course, sa nilang birthday party, more with other celebrities like mga drag queens and other artists. Ang bad news is, last month, yung sa ating Manila Bulletin article, that the show must go on, that Ay Sigera, na-reveal na asthma attack while performing the song. At na yun, okay na lahat na severe asthma attack nung June pa at nung May pa. Kaya, congrats pa rin. And, birthday ni Ay Sigera sa Tuesday, September 17. Happy birthday in advance. Now, punta tayo sa television new time program. Eat Bulaga Olympics. Tapos na ang ating tiebreaker round na nanalo ng red team sa ating good news. Nanalo red team against the yellow team. Gonzi Wally against Mayor Jose. Congratulations. Along with other members are Sam, Eunice, Riza May, Karen, and Atasha. Congrats. While the yellow team like Miles, Paulo, KZ, Jean, and Anne. Congratulations. But the bad news is, yung member ng yung member ng red team na si Sam, nangyari kasi nung cotton buds problem. Ang tanong, sino nandaya? Yellow team ang nandaya. Ang nanalo, red team ang tunay na wins. Kasi merong problema si Sam na injured pala. Kung paa or kamay, nako, pagaling ka. Get well soon. Sing Queen Sam Rascal. And congratulations to Red Team. Yan po for our latest vlog. Salamat sa lahat. See you next vlog. Bye, God bless.